What's going on, guys? My name is Jennifer Altman. I've been a Nesta certified fitness trainer since 2013. In today's video, I'm gonna be taking you through my leg workout in my 12-week Let's Get Shredded challenge. If you haven't already, you can go over to fitbyjennifer.com and download this challenge for free. Today's gonna be a brutal workout, especially because I need to focus on my legs more. I love upper body. I know I need to get my legs in better shape, so this workout is just for that. So without further ado, let's head to the gym. What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I have to be honest, this workout killed me today, but we're putting in the work, so let's get into it. So today I started off with squats. I did 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on, I had sumo deadlifts. These are by far my favorites. I love sumos because you point your toes out slightly, so you also hit the glutes. These I got 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. So moving on, we have our curtsy lunges. I'm just holding a 25 plate in my hands. If this is too challenging, you can always do these without weights. Moving on, we have our stiff leg deadlifts. Here I'm just using a set of dumbbells and I'm doing 10 to 12 reps for a total of 4 sets. Moving on, we have our leg curls. So at my apartment gym, this machine actually is a leg curl machine and also a leg extension machine. So you'll see later on me doing leg extensions with this. I thought it was a pretty cool machine, but not gonna lie, leg extensions hurt so bad. My quads are so weak. I really need to focus more on my quads and the strength of my quads. We got this. We're gonna get those gains, don't you worry. Okay, moving on to our 100 walking lunges. So after a while, these 100 walking lunges got a lot easier for me personally. So what I like to do is pulses. So you can see with each rep, I'm doing a 2-second pulse and then moving on to the next lunge. It's a great burnout for the workout. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you had a great workout. Till next time, Fit Bees. Peace.